Hi Mike, nice to meet you. Could you tell me a bit about yourself?
Okay, my name is Mike Rogan. I'm currently Professor of Zoology in the School of Environment and Life Sciences, and I'm a parasitologist.
And what is it that you research, Mike?
I look at a group of parasites which are very small tapeworms in dogs, and the genus is called Echinococcus. And they don't cause any problems as such in the dogs, but accidentally humans can become infected with the larval stage, which causes really big problems in the human, very big cysts to occur in the liver and the lungs, and it causes major problems in terms of healthcare.
And how did you get into this kind of research?
My interest in parasites started from when I was an undergraduate and I studied zoology, but the animals I liked to study were actually parasitic worms, which I felt were really highly adapted to the environment that they live in. They have various specialisms which adapt them to parasitism, and I found that fascinating. I then had the chance to go and work in the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, where I can actually then go to places where parasites were a big problem. So some of the places I've visited since then and now include China, Kenya, Kyrgyzstan, and recently in the Falkland Islands as well, all looking at the same parasitic infection in those locations.
And what research techniques do you do?
What we're trying to do is go into really quite difficult areas, very difficult rural areas, and to develop techniques and diagnostic tests which can help us establish how much of an infection is in a particular community. So we've developed tests where we can look at which dogs are infected with the parasite. We've developed tests which look at which humans might be exposed to the parasite and how the disease is progressing within those humans, and then hopefully trying to alleviate that system in different parts of the world.
That's fascinating. What are you hoping to do in the future?
By identifying different parts of different countries which are a problem, what we hope to do is get governments to recognise what the problem is and to start developing control strategies to try and reduce the level of infection to humans.
Sounds like really important work. Thanks for sharing, Mike.
Nice for you to come and see me. Thank you.